Plates ready? This is Food School, Smarter, Stronger, Leaner podcast. Want to feel amazing, love the way you look in the mirror, and perform your absolute best in the gym, at work, and in life? You're definitely in the right place. Food. It's you. It builds every single cell of you. And if there is one thing every human being must master, it's food. Because at the very least, eating, you do it every day, several times a day, every single day. You might as well get good at it. I'm your host, Shurina from Create Yourself That Today, your personal nutritionist and plate watcher, your diet guide and explorer, your fat loss coach and food inspector. And just someone with a lot of passion and obsession and curiosity for healthy food, healthy diets, nutrition, optimized human performance, everything and absolutely anything you put in your grocery shopping cart, your fridge, on your plate, and in your mouth. It's my business. Food School, on a mission to help you eat better daily.
It's the last time I talk about food. It's the last time I talk about food.
Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Food School Marathon 2019. Everything and anything you need to make 2019 the healthiest, the fittest, your most impactful year yet. Today and tomorrow we will talk about environment. Today we will talk more about external environment, and tomorrow we will talk more about internal environment that we need to build consciously to support our goals and our resolutions, to basically put ourselves in a position to win instead of making it more difficult for ourselves to win. And environment, it's huge, guys. What you surround yourself with, who you surround yourself with, what you do inside, what kind of work you do on your self-talk, on your internal environment, that really matters, that really shapes the person you are, the habits you have, and how much success in the areas that are important to you you have, and how much of its success is lasting, not for a couple of days, weeks, or months of the year, but every single day till the rest of your life. So external environment, how to build environment around yourself to support your goals. In this case, of course, healthy eating, fitness goals. First, and I believe it's one of the most powerful tools for shaping our mind and shaping our habits and what we think about and what we feel on a regular basis, pictures and visualization. Wherever you are, design your space, your personal space, the room, the space where you spend a lot of time in. Design it with different pictures, different visuals that remind you of the goals that you have, of the future that you want to build, future you that you want to build. So what I'm talking about here, for example, if you want to start eating healthier, then put pictures of some delicious healthy meals that you want to be cooking, or put pictures of your diet, or maybe someone who reminds you of the way you want to eat or the way you want to live. If it's some fitness goal, if you want to look better, if you want a particular kind of body type, if you want to change your body, then have either your physique at that shape at some point of your life, or have some ideal physique of someone else that you really love and you think that's the kind of physique you want. Maybe even get creative and put your face on that physique. So put it maybe on your phone, the things that you look at very often, maybe on your mirror. If you spend a lot of times in an office, or if you work a lot on your computer, then put it there so you from time to time see it. So visualization, it's really powerful thing. The pictures that you surround your space with really will shape the way you think, and at the end of the day, that's going to shape your habits. Like for me, I have some vacation spots that I want to visit this year. I have some stuff related to my career as a speaker, as a coach. I have Elon Musk and Richard Branson on my walls because I want to shape the area of my career, of my passion, healthy food. I want to shape the world in a more, what I believe is in a better, healthier way for everyone. And those people represent for me that boldness to go where no one has gone before and doing what hasn't been done before anyway. So shape your environment with some powerful and meaningful for you visuals that will move you towards your goals. It will be like a beacon or a North Star pointing to the direction that you want to go, you want to see yourself moving. So visualization, surround yourself with pictures of your goals. 2, speaking about goals, write down your goals on a piece of paper, put them up somewhere, make them beautiful, make them shiny, so it's always fun to look at them. And also a really powerful exercise is to write them down, write the most important goals for you right now, your vision. Every morning when you wake up, reread it, rewrite it, and before going to bed, reread it, rewrite it, maybe do a little bit of visualization, have maybe some pictures to help you with that. But yeah, writing down your goals, making it look for your brain that you're serious about that. And the more you write them down, you read them, the more ideas and solutions your brain will come up with to help you to reach that destination. And even though not all of those solutions and ideas will bring you there and will work, but your brain will not stop till you reach that if you continue to focusing on those goals. Not like, a lot of people, I used to do the same thing. We write our New Year's resolutions somewhere at the back of our diary or at the beginning of new diary, and then never look at them at all. And then after a while, probably even after a few weeks, if you never look back at them, you don't even remember what was there. No wonder your brain doesn't give you any ideas how to get there, and no wonder you never reach them. So write your goals down, put them somewhere where you can read them, where you can see them, and also write them down every morning and every night. That's why do not have a huge list of your goals. Just have maybe 3 to 5 goals. That's what I recommend. If you really want to be focused and want to reach that goal really fast, then write down one goal and just focus on it every single morning, every single night. People, friends, family, social environment is a really powerful tool to shape your new personality, maybe new traits, your new habits. Having friends and relatives and people you love and maybe some leaders you admire in your close environment or not so close, having those people on your mind and in your environment somehow it's a really powerful tool to shape your habits. But try to also get someone in your close proximity, maybe get new friends. If you want to start working out or going to the gym on a regular basis, go to the gym, meet people there, start talking to someone who looks like they've been working out forever, and maybe ask to join their workouts to just be honest, tell them that you're trying to build this habit and you'd love to have some friends who already have these habits. People will understand that. We all working on something. If somebody has no problems with going to the gym regularly, like myself, for example, we might have troubles doing something else regularly, like doing sales to improve my business. That's my own thing. So talk to people in the gym or where you are, where you can meet those people who can support your goals and become friends with them, become gym buddies with them. Also, if you have your old friends who might want to do the same kind of habit, who might want to join you in the gym, it's even better. Ask them if they'd like to build this new habit with you. And when you support each other's good intentions and better habits, that's gonna be so much easier to build that habit together. So try to maybe convert your friends into healthier and fitter friends, or get new friends, and also in your family or just among people who you spend time with. Try to develop those habits, those traits, and move people into the direction where you want to go. But also, again, look up to people who already have your habits, not necessarily in your proximity, but maybe some athletes, maybe some leaders, and just listen to what they have to say So social environment, it's powerful, guys. Use it and design it consciously. Foods. Make your food environment a friendly one. So buy foods, go to the shops, check out the foods that you actually want to eat on a regular basis instead of checking out all the dessert aisles of the things that you're not allowed to eat anymore, being all depressed that you have to restrict yourself. No, check out some cool foods from healthy food aisles and buy new fancy foods, try new healthy products, design your fridge and your cupboards at home and wherever you spend a lot of time. Design it with those new foods that you're excited about to eat that will make you feel better and perform better on all levels. And if, for example, in your household, not everybody supports your eating habits, and there are several people who have different lifestyles, then just have dedicated to your new lifestyle, your new diet space, maybe one cupboard, maybe one shelf in the fridge, and dedicate it to you, to your new lifestyle. And believe it or not, but that's going to make it so much easier for you to stick with your new eating habits compared to when everything is just scattered around around the place, mixed with other stuff of other people. So have dedicated space to your new eating lifestyle, to your new nutrition habits, and surround yourself with those foods, recipes, reminders, and that's gonna help you to stick with your healthy eating habits much easier. Don't put yourself in a position to lose. Put yourself instead in a position to win. What do I mean by that? For example, you decided to eat healthier starting January 1st, right? But you have difficulties, for example, saying no to some desserts. So don't go and check out new bakery, or don't go with your friend for a cup of coffee at some pastry shop where there are overwhelming smells of fresh bakery that a lot of people cannot resist. And if you're at that vulnerable spot when you still need to use willpower to overcome that temptation to eat a lot of sweets or pastries or whatever that can be, don't put yourself in a difficult position. Use your willpower for something else. Instead, meet at some bone broth place or juice place or something like that. Something that will make it easier for you to stick with your resolutions and your promises to yourself instead of making it more difficult. What are you trying to prove? You want yourself to succeed, right? So make it easier for you to succeed. Don't make it more difficult. We're not robots. Our willpower is a limited resource, so use it wisely. Don't put yourself in a challenging situation when it's not really necessary. Workouts. If you want to be consistent with your workouts, schedule it, make decision when you go, what you do, and forget about it. Put it on your calendar and don't think about it. Don't make it optional. So if you make a decision, then stick with it. Put it in your calendar and don't touch it. Don't think about it. Have your gym bag prepared with you whenever you need to go, and just don't think about it. Don't think about your workout. Make a decision once a week and then stick to your schedule. And even if you don't feel physically like working out, don't think about it. Go to the gym, walk on a treadmill, just make it easier to stick with your habit instead of trying to become a Superman and do some hardcore CrossFit workouts every single workout that you go. No, just, for example, make a decision to just go to the gym every day, and you don't have to do anything tough and hardcore, just do anything and whatever, just show up. So make a decision once a week, schedule it, prepare everything that needs to be ready for you to go there, and don't think about that twice. Just go and show up. That's how simple it is. And once you start using these strategies, guys, designing your environment and setting yourself to win and making the decision and making it clear to your own brain that you are serious about this decision and there is no further negotiation, then your brain will help you. Unless you're like doubting and thinking about, should I do it or should I not do it, your brain will always choose the easiest thing and find all the explanations and all the excuses. It will use its all creative powers to justify whatever decision is easier. So know that about your brain, guys. Make a decision and make it non-negotiable. Just stick with it. And then your brain will start coming up with good for you solutions. So this is all for today, guys. It's all about designing your external environment, kind of internal too, because it's all related. You cannot really separate it black and white between your external and your internal, because it all works together. But this episode is specifically dedicated as much as possible to designing your own space, your external environment, your mind environment, your social environment, to help you to stick with your healthiest, fittest habits of 2019 to make it the most impactful year yet. So, thank you guys for tuning in. Tomorrow we are going to talk about internal environment, and hope, by the way, that you had amazing Christmas and you spent it with your loved ones and you enjoyed it and you're back on track with your healthy habits. You have one more day, new year, and then let's just make it, again, the healthiest, the fittest, your most impactful year yet. So, stay tuned, and till next time, eat better daily.